Hey, so I just finished packing that blue Carryon backpack. It's really big, but I hope I don't have to check it in. We'll see. But I did fit a lot of stuff in there, so I thought I'd show you what I'm bringing to Thailand. There's a few things that I forgot to film, I think, so I'm gonna add them here. Forgot to show the little box I have with the splitter, some SD cards and earrings and stuff, and also some eye drops for the flight. And I'd also like to say, of course, that I'm planning on buying a bunch of stuff when I'm there, like aloe vera and after sun lotions, as well as a ton of sunglasses and a lot of stuff that I didn't pack, basically. So in a way, I packed a lot of stuff, but whatever, take a look. So everything that I've packed is from a lot of the research that I've done. Like sunscreen in Thailand is overpriced, obviously, because there's a lot of tourists that come. I brought this Aquaphor SPF lip balm because my lips always get burned. Some more moisturizer. This bronzing thingy that I love, more sunscreen, and guess what? A third sunscreen, the glowy one. So I have a lot of sunscreen. Hopefully it'll last me the whole trip. Concealer from Bare Minerals that I really love. Some lip color, lip gloss, a small one that I have. Oh yeah, my Anastasia Beverly Hills sort of brow things instead of the whole pomade, I don't know how to say it, because it's just quicker. And toothpaste, duh, of course. And then my little Tide to Go thing, which I guess is a liquid as well. I was like, mascara, is that a liquid? I don't know, just in case, I just put it in there. So that's all the stuff that I brought in this little baggie that I actually got from Amazon from buying a bikini. It came in that, and I was like, this is perfect. Toiletries, not a ton of stuff, but deodorant, baby powder, this nice bronzer blush palette. I love it so much. It's from BH Cosmetics, and Candy's Too Faced collab palette. I know it's kind of big, but I love it and it fits. So wipes, two brushes, mini brushes, and I brought this SPF powder from Bare Minerals. I have one already, but I want one for the trip so I could powder my face with the SPF because I'm gonna be sweating all day long. I tried looking for the one that's like the one that has a brush in it, but it was more expensive. So journaling, yes, I go through my tombos and thinking like what kind of themes and colors I'm gonna want. A lot of tropical colors and stuff. Only 3 colors from my zebra eyeliners because I wanted to do like maybe a palm tree with green and brown, and then the turquoise. Looking through my Flair pens, see which ones I'm gonna be wanting to write with. I was like, struggling with that one. Oh, not that one. And this double-sided tape, which is amazing. I'll link it below because it's not the AdTech or the other fancy one, but it's lasted me the longest. And it has cute little glitter on it. Some of my favorite pens and a golden Sharpie, washi tape, stamp, markers, and all of that goes in with my Toiletries, which I think is so cool. So I picked out some washes that I thought I'd want to use. Stickers. This was kind of hard, but I tore out some pages that I'm like, I'm definitely gonna use like this whole page for this trip because there's a lot of vacation stickers and stuff. It took me a while, but I decided on all the stickers, and look at it, it all fits. I'm so happy about it. Yay! Clothes. I brought 3 dresses that are maxi dresses, really cute. 2 pairs of pants that I'll also use as PJs. 4 shorts. This yellow cute one, this green one from H&M. The sarong that I bought in Africa and Kenya. It's purple and pretty and fits a lot of my bikinis. This pink kind of top thing that I always wear on the beach. This other top that I found at Marshall's that I thought was super cute. This yellow kind of transparent cover-up / top, and the white t-shirt. These 2 shoes, I've walked in them so that I know they're comfortable, but they're still gonna last the trip. These are all my bikinis and my underwear. Electronics, I like to use these little things, mister, to tie it together. Thank you for the help, baby. All packed. Yay. So packing it was not a big problem. I use the rolling technique like everybody else does. It's the best way to go, my friend. Then the second, I put the Thai book in there, my little shopping bag, my journal, my goggles, moisturizing socks and face mask, my liquids, and that's it. My fanny pack is all my stuff, my passport, my cards, my portable charger, headphones for the airplane, and my Apple headphones, sunglasses, toothbrush, pills for diarrhea, NyQuil, and Dramamine. And that's it. Yay, wish me a good trip.